Hello. Hello. I present to you the new timepiece I just received for my birthday. It's a Mark Lab, a French brand with French timepiece. Up, box. It's the 70 model, green line symbol. It's a so cool timepiece with a so cool brand, if we can see, Mark Lab. Any information of the timepiece, the guarantee card. Mark Lab, like or perhaps more, love the green color, but you know me, green or not green, blue. Like we can see, this one is a 70 model, slightly small model, 36 millimeters with the diameter. It's a quartz model. The glaze is very cool, like we can see. The dial is white with nice reflect. The date is so cool. White on black panel, and sometimes the 3, I think, it's green. Green because it's the color of Mark Lab. This timepiece is on a perlon, like we can see, with a Seiko that many people know. You can see the difference in size, but I put on my wrist. Sorry. New timepiece. Not easy to put the first time. It's a perlon. The perlon is so cool because can fit all the wrist, no wall, like we can see, and a perfect vintage finish. I like the crown at 4 o'clock because it's very classy and is easily for surfing, because it's timepiece for surfing. 100 meters water resist. The crown is perfect. The dial is so cool. Your advice on my wrist, very cool. It's a small model. I have a normal wrist, but can give a vintage look, and this what I want with this timepiece. A French timepiece. I discovered this brand because our president, Mr. Macron, wear a timepiece of this brand. There is 1 or 2 years, and I discovered this brand at this moment. This timepiece is made. This brand is produced by people who like surfing and like timepiece too. It's many reasons that I love this brand and why I buy a Mark Lab. Not me, my wife, because she don't have ID for my birthday, and yesterday she offered me this timepiece. Hope you like, my friend. Like we can see, very cool on my wrist, with a cool perlon, and very cool timepiece. I recommend so much Mark Lab, very cool.